Okay, this next video is going to go over the Blink stock inventory management system. So as you probably know, if you go into dispensing, you can set up your stock. So if I jump straight to Spectacles 1, so under the frame section, we've got various frame makes and models. So for this demo, I'm going to just concentrate on the William Morris frames. So if I select all William Morris frames, I've got 3 on here, or I can filter by WM, and that just reduces the list down to 2. So how did I do that? If I go into System Admin and then Stock, and we'll just edit stock, I select the practice stock type of frame and the stock group of William Morris. Okay, so I can see there are 3 items in this particular stock group. The filter again has this WM, so the WM is actually the brand. So if I edit this Charleston frame, I've got WM as the brand / index. Obviously the index is used when we're dealing with lenses, but so for the frames, I could, for example, set this brand WMX. I'd update, and if I now go to dispensing, Spectacles under William Morris, I can select all the WM frames, of which is now 1, or all of the WMX frames is now 1 as well, or all William Morris frames, and it shows all of the 3 that are in that stock group. So some people like to set their stock up like this and have specific makes and models listed here. Other people, if I select William Morris frame and go down to the bottom sale total section, it's put in the frame name William Morris, but I might want to change the details of that frame model. I can do here, or I can add in the size or the color. And I save the dispense those key bits of information that I've amended. In fact, also as well, I can change the price. So if this particular model was actually £99, I can change it there, and it'll obviously all adjust the sales figures. So I'm going to go ahead and just complete this dispense. So I've got my frame. Let me just quickly select the lens and specify the details about the lens. Here an intermediate or the PD are mandatory. If I just save this dispense by placing the order. Okay, so now if I go to another patient, or just to save time, I'm just going to select the same patient and go back into dispensing Spectacles 1 and looking for William Morris. If I select all William Morris frames, there are in fact actually now only 2 William Morris frames in this section, and the reason for that is because the inventory has been decreased by 1. So if I go into System Admin, Stock, Edit Stock, and select my William Morris stock group, 3 items are in here, but the William Morris frame that we've just purchased has got a stock level of 0, so that doesn't appear in the dispensing system anymore. So a few of the options and features you've got under the stock section is System Admin. Obviously I've been editing stock. I can create new stock groups and stock items. If I do a stock take, it will list all of the stock that's on the system, including everything that's been sold recently. I can set dates for that, everything that's in stock, and if I scroll right down to the bottom, everything that's out of stock, which obviously includes my William Morris frame. Finally, I've got stock update. So there's a template here, stockdata.txt. If I generate a text file with this particular structure, I can then import it directly into Blink, which just saves the process of adding stock items one at a time. So pretty much that concludes everything on the stock and inventory management part of Blink.